Hi guys, welcome. I've installed my system, so burnt the ISO, and this is your Carli look, and still much to do, but here we end, right? If you want to change the XFCE settings, it's just in the preferences and do just exactly the way I now created the Carli XFCE config and find out what file should I put where, and then make a package, and basically you got your own distribution, your own look. So choices all around. Choose what you install. In the meantime, did the sudo pacman -s Firefox, the sudo pacman -s simple screen recorder, and I've added also the file roller. So right mouse click if you want to extract something that's not going to work unless file roller is there. So all these things are still here if you don't want them. I'm not going to go further into detail, but it's just figuring out what is where and how to get rid of all these things. And as simple as that, it will have its effect on the file. Control H, which file in the config in here somewhere. Because you clicked something, you will have some more text. But for me, it's okay. I tried some music here. Just looked up the best heavy metal songs and voila, it's all working. So Bluetooth is there, the audio mixer is there, my Bluetooth headset is here. So the playback, the output devices, it's there. It's all linked, it's all fine, it's all working. So I guess the packages are okay. All right, cheers for now.